Hi, welcome to today's session on the occasion of Women's Day. Firstly, I would request you if you can please introduce yourself.
I'm Ritu Agarwal, Managing Director, Gandhara Industries. We are into cattle feed manufacturing, a company based out of Uttar Pradesh. I was a homemaker for good 15 years, and after that, I realized that I wanted to pursue my passion of creating a brand, doing something for the society. And this is when we realized that I wanted to get into cattle feed manufacturing because we belong to a is into dairy business. We created a quality which catered to the farmer's need. It improved the quality of milk, the quantity of milk, thereby increasing farmers' income. So it was kind of a socio-economic model for me.
Thank you. So, firstly, wish you a happy Women's Day. And now I would like to have your message on this Women's Day.
I feel women have this capability to multitask and they're very, very passionate. If they take up a job, they're always there working hard to deliver that. So I make sure that I'm trying to, employ more and more women. And now, biases, I don't believe in this gender bias anymore because being here in this industry for more than 7 years now, and the way people respect me, the way my team is, definitely I have more male employees than female. But having said that, each and every person is capable, whether it is men, women. I would say biases exist, but they should not define your journey. Don't let that self doubt that I'm a woman, I cannot do it. This doesn't work anymore. I feel key when you enter any field, you have to be confident, and then you can definitely bring about a positive change if you believe in yourself.
I would like to understand about your personal journey. How has been your personal journey and any specific challenges that you have faced and how did you overcome that?
I think as a woman, sometimes, yeah, definitely. See, I treaded into an industry where you will not find too many women. Having said that, initial 2 years, definitely it was difficult. Number one, I was a very introvert person. So there were challenges because from the farmer to the retailer to the distributor, it was a male dominated industry. So to be able to make a mark there, to be able to be accepted well, that yes, I know the subject and I'm very serious and passionate about it, it took some time. But I feel when you are well equipped, when you constantly are learning, and when you have the right kind of mentors, no field is difficult. You just need to be an expert of the subject and follow your passion.
So, what would be your message for the young females who are just entering into the industry?
I feel dairy and feed industry, they're the backbone of our rural economy. We need to focus on what is needed on the ground. I feel we have to prioritize quality over short-term gains. And secondly, I would want these young generation people to have immense knowledge of the subject, how these things work. And especially these days, the kids are very smart. So, to be able to understand the subjects, automatically you become a leader. Third is maintaining integrity, have a strong vision and abide by that. Fourth would be creating strong networks. Networking really helps in the long run to be connected to the right kind of people. So keep updating yourself on what new is happening, keep educating yourself. And then I feel no field is difficult then. You just have to keep doing it and have a proper vision in place.
How do you see the role of women 10 years down the line, especially into this particular industry?
I have seen it very closely when on field I have seen that most of the work is being done by the women. Rather, in a lot of families in rural areas, women are the ones deciding which feed to buy because they take care of the cattle, they do the entire work. And therefore, we also started with a program called Gyandhara Mitra, wherein we try and engage more and more women because eventually they are the one getting the money in their hand. And trust me, the first thing they do is they keep that money for their kids' education. Second, they would put some money into the savings. So, when the women, they take a lead, whether it is running the family, whether it is in business, so their perspective comes from empathy. So I think whether it is that level or whether it is in the boardrooms, we women as empathetic leaders, we have a long way to go. Cattle feed industry, if more women come into it, I'm sure they'll be able to make a much better positive change because this industry is bound to grow. As our Prime Minister, as our Chief Minister, they are focusing so much on dairy and animal husbandry. Recently, so many new schemes were launched. If more and more women are a part of it, we can take it to the next level for sure.